Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna fix my helper's little mini bike. She's been asking me for a while to get it running again, but it's been sitting for a little while. So hopefully we don't need any parts, and let's get to it. Alright, we got it for a little test drive. It's good to go.
I'll clean it. I did it.
So hopefully it'll be good for a race season. Run around the pits. So, and tomorrow we are going to be sanding the fenders, the hood, and the trunk that's over there by Spin. Good old Spin over there. So we'll be sanding them tomorrow, so we'll catch you tomorrow. So it's the next day. We are out here again, and we are cleaning these body panels up, getting them ready for paint. I got one done. It's already primered. It's a little chilly. You can see my breath. So we got to get this fender to look like that one. Let's get to it. Alright, now we gotta clean all this dust off, spray it with some brake cleaner. It'll be alright. Now we got the dust off. Let's go paint it. Yep. Not a professional spray painter, but you know what? It'll work. It's just gonna get wrecked. Hopefully not this like last time. Alright, so we got the two fenders done. Now we're on the trunk. Let's get that deassembled. We'll get it painted. Well, we'll get it sanded. Then we'll get it... Sorry for that. I don't know what she's doing. Being a squirrel. So we'll get it all done and... we'll lose some weight by doing this. We don't need that where we're going. Let's fell down. Let's fix it. Yep. Alright, we got one more light to get rid of. Well, actually, just leave it. It looks better that way. Take the good old cutters here. Just snip her off. There we go. Don't leave that where we're going. So, you guys comment below. I'm thinking about putting a camera there so you guys can see the back of the race car as we're going around the track. So comment below if you guys would like to see that. Maybe if not, oh well, who cares? But I thought it'd be pretty sweet. That way you guys can see the back end. You know, all the cars behind me. Or there might not be no cars behind me, hard telling. Or it might be a really good show if I flip. Alright, take a look at this. Here's the real question. Should we keep the Cavalier symbol on here or should we get rid of it? For right now, we're going to leave it. I might take it off, but for right now, we'll just leave it. So, let's get to sanding this down. Alright, so we got the trunk here. We're going to sand it up and make it look pretty. It's dusty. Can you hand me that? Thank you. Oh. I know you're supposed to use like lacquer or something, but you didn't want to go to the store and buy some more lacquer. Or, so just use what I got. You know, you'll be all right. All right. I don't know if she wants to be in the video or she don't want to be in the video. She's acting a little weird. Still haven't picked out a color, so if you guys want to help me pick out a color, leave a comment below on what color I should paint it for 2021 race season. I had a couple ideas, but I want to see what your guys' ideas are, and we'll go from there. She wants me painted pink. I don't know about pink. Alright, so we got the hood up here. We're gonna take some stuff that we don't need, some weight reduction. Okay then. We don't need all this extra weight because I'll be in the car. Eat that, eat them. We don't need none of them where we're going. Just eat it. Yeet. My jumper came right in my face. Boo. Oh. Yeet. Yeet. Eat this too. Yeet. Don't need that where we're going. Now all we gotta do is get rid of that little junky thing and we'll get back to sanding. Ready? Yeet. And a yeet. So, there we are. Let's flip this over and get to sanding. There we are. Ouch. Put another new pad on just because, you know, you always got to start off with that new pad. Some good old 80 grit. The fenders only used a 220 grit and it cleaned it up real quick. So I don't know if it's hood sticker on paint or what. You always wear safety glasses. I got mine on, just you can't see them because they're so safety. Oh, we're missing the whole Velcro part. We should yeet this too, shouldn't we? Good thing I was done. You know, we're done with all the sanding for today. Now I gotta go back to Harbor Freight and get another one. Ugh. Where's the parts cleaner at? No, shh. I'm talking, you gotta be quiet. Give it a little wiggle. Yeah. Alright, now we can wipe her down, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Why do you do that in the face? Oh, you just...
Shh. Ella, seriously? I gotta put some music right here. We're demonetized for that.
I think we're really going.
My hands are nice and rough, so I can't feel if it's smooth or not. Smooth?
No, you.
I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a dang gone race car.
Yeah, why are you even painting it then?
Gotta make it look pretty for the sponsors.
I don't think anybody's got sponsors.
We got some sponsors for this year.
Like this?
Yeah. That car's gone. We scrapped that.
What car is this then?
The black car that was here. Huh?
What black car?
That was on the trailer that we were gonna try to get running.
Yeah, but you said the one that had peppers in it.
Yeah, you gone. It's at the scrapyard. I'm working on another one. This is the parts off of it. I took parts off of it. I'm trying to work on another one. So if you guys have any cabbies out and they're junk or you guys want to just get rid of, shoot me a text message in the comments and we'll get something settled out. Look at that nice line right there. We're gonna go fast. Hush it. I don't know why the kids like that. No, 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 back! I can let this all down again. Better move, y'all.
Turn around, no. Yeah.
Alright, we are back. We had a phone call, and old missus had to talk to me. Make sure I was doing something productive.
He's
I
not.
think this is productive. So we're out of primer. Yeet. It's all over my fingers. So we're gonna let this dry. We're gonna get this up there. Alright, so we're gonna let this dry. And tomorrow, which would be Thursday, we are going to, I don't know yet. We're gonna do something. Hope it'll be car related, so you guys should like it. Because all these videos, Monday through Friday, are all going into one because I work full time. So I can only do so much throughout the day because I work night shift. So that'll be it for today. And tomorrow, we'll probably clean up this mess real quick before we leave tonight. And tomorrow we'll probably try to get the car out and maybe get some of the old body panels off. So we'll catch you tomorrow. Welcome back. It is the next day. As you can see, there's snow. We got some snow last night. So it's a little chilly in here. We're going to get this back cleaned up, finish painting it, primer it. Then it's going to be the end of this video. So let's get to it. So that will be, that'll be it for today. We are going to have a new video coming up in 1 week, hopefully. We're trying to do it every week, one video every week. So if you guys like that, just leave a comment. It'll help us out. It'll help me out, help the channel out. And just keep the rubber side down this time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one. Boop.